You know, why did we start ECWO? I don't think ECWO actually started. I think ECWO actually evolved because there was a need for research to be done that was of interest to companies, a place where people could come and do women in leadership courses, master classes, a place where alumni, staff, faculty could come together to meet and discuss issues around gender. So the Women in Leadership program is about leadership but with a gender lens. What we do is we increase the confidence women have in their own ability. We help them with their negotiation skills and their communication skills. We debate issues around gender, what's holding them back, and of course we discuss what the research says.
The difference between men and women here is pretty simple.
The Communication with Power and Impact workshop helps women at mid-management level specifically increase the amount of influence they're able to create at their organization, specifically through their communication.
There are more challenges for women to negotiate than for men, because we do live in a male-dominated culture that basically gives us the rules in which we have to act. The workshop it's not just another negotiation workshop. It is very different because it is tailored to the challenges that women face when they negotiate at work and also in their private life.
I think the most important key takeaway from the program for me is just the overall notion of everybody has biases. We do, I do, the colleagues do. So to be more aware of that, and a lot of different concepts that we learned during those 3 days of a program. Quite interesting for me, the negotiation part. We always assume that, you know, as a person, regardless of female or man, we negotiate only in certain situations, but obviously we negotiate every day through the whole day. So that was quite interesting to see.
Society benefits from more female leadership because women bring a different perspective, a different thought process to bear on the challenges and opportunities that we all face. This different perspective, or these different views, help us make better, wiser decisions that serve the interests of the firms, of the organizations they work for.
ECWO offers coaching as an extension to the programs that we run for women in leadership, negotiations, communications, etc. As a coach, I am privileged to be able to hold a safe space for someone who is looking to transform their lives. And we do that by me asking questions and by the coachee reflecting on the questions that I ask and digging deep into them. And the digging deep is where they find certain behaviors that have been learned that they can get rid of, and in that way become free to become the best that they can be.